All right, since that we meet each other here, do you want to make a funny joke?
Sure, I will go. Roses are red, violets are blue. If you fly Viz Air, you get some Riz.
That is funny, small bro from other dimension. Next is my favorite Manta Air. Who is that?
It's time to get your life. Crushed you 5.
Well, it isn't. Those nitrogen monoxide, banana and apple cat.
How dare you say that? Slime, I will kill you. And don't bully us again.
Well, at least should we say something important to you, too?
What is it?
Get
out of this place.
You two
nitrogen
monoxide freaks.
No, we can eat this as a mean characters.